2024 Maserati GranCabrio is a gorgeous drop-top with 542 HP and AWD. The convertible version of the Gran Turismo coupe will only be offered in high-performance Trofeo form at first, and it's likely to cost more than $200,000. Maserati has revealed the convertible version of the Gran Turismo, called the GranCabrio. It has a cloth soft top, weighs more than the coupe, and will be available only in the 542 horsepower Trofeo version at first. We expect the 2024 GranCabrio Trofeo to carry a starting price of over $200,000. Maserati's gorgeous new Gran Turismo is finally dropping its top, creating the 2024 Maserati GranCabrio. Compared with the coupe, it's a bit heavier and will likely cost a bit more, but those trade-offs may be worth it if you're dead set on feeling the wind in your hair. The GranCabrio has a cloth soft top that lowers in 14 seconds and raises in 16 seconds, at speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. You can use gesture controls to operate the top, along with a button on the central screen, and the top itself is available in 5 different colors: black, blue, gray, red, and a hue Maserati calls greige. Because the top lowers into the trunk, it reduces cargo space somewhat, to 4 cubic feet, but there's a divider you can expand if you don't plan to lower the top that provides an extra 2 cubic feet of space. 2024 Maserati GranCabrio rear view photos. Maserati also includes a neck warmer that blows air out of vents on the front seats, and a removable wind deflector that can be placed over the rear seats to reduce buffeting. The claimed curb weight for the GranCabrio is 359 pounds heavier than the company's claim for the coupe, so there will likely be a performance sacrifice. That may be why Maserati will initially only sell the drop-top in only the top dog Trofeo trim, which has the 542 horsepower twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 also found in the coupe. This is the same Natuno engine found in the MC20 supercar, but detuned slightly for this application. All-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission are standard. It's possible that Maserati is also planning an electric Folgore version of the convertible, and we also wonder if GranCabrio will eventually offer a lower-powered V6 model that lines up with the coupe's Modena trim level. 2024 Maserati GranCabrio interior view photos. Maserati has yet to release a price for the GranCabrio, but with the Gran Turismo Trofeo starting at $191,995, it's safe to say that the starting price for the drop-top 2024 Maserati GranCabrio is a gorgeous drop-top with 542 HP and AWD. The convertible version of the Gran Turismo coupe will only be offered in high-performance Trofeo form at first, and it's likely to cost more than $200,000. Maserati has revealed the convertible version of the Gran Turismo, called the GranCabrio. It has a cloth soft top, weighs more than the coupe, and will be available only in the 542 horsepower Trofeo